The story takes place on the shores of a coastal village, where fishermen live and make their livelihood from the sea. The village is surrounded by rolling waves, rocky cliffs, and a distant shipwreck that has become a place of legend. Long ago, there was a beautiful woman named Selina, a skilled healer and a kind soul who lived in a small coastal village. She was known for her wisdom, her gentle nature, and her ability to ease the pain of both people and animals. Selina would often visit the shore, gazing out at the sea as if waiting for something, but she never spoke of it. One fateful evening, a terrible storm swept over the village. The sea raged fiercely, and many of the fishermen's boats were caught in the violent waves. The villagers feared for their lives, but Selina remained calm. She took a small boat out into the storm to rescue the fishermen stranded at sea. She managed to save many, but the storm was too strong. Her boat capsized, and she disappeared into the waves. The villagers mourned her loss deeply, but strange things began to happen. On the nights when the moon was full, a soft light would appear on the shore, drifting from the wreckage of a forgotten ship that had long been abandoned. Sometimes, the light would glow brighter, and a whisper would be heard on the wind, a voice, gentle and soothing, like a lullaby. The fishermen began to whisper about a ghostly figure, a woman dressed in white, who seemed to guide them safely back to shore on stormy nights. Over time, the legend of Selina's spirit grew. The ghost of the lady was said to have become a guardian of the sea, a protector of those who worked on the waves. She helped the fishermen in their darkest hours, guiding them back to safety when the storm clouds rolled in or when the sea threatened to swallow their boats whole. It was said that Selina had become the spirit of the shipwrecked vessel, her soul entwined with the sea and the winds. Each year, the fishermen would remember Selina, and they would leave an offering of flowers and fruit by the wrecked ship. Some said they could see her form standing on the bow of the old ship, looking out at the horizon, her long hair flowing like a ribbon in the wind. It wasn't just the fishermen who were saved. Many villagers, lost travelers, sickly animals, and even children who had wandered too far from home, found themselves rescued by a soft touch or a faint whisper when they were in trouble. They would wake up on the shore, never remembering how they got there, but knowing they were safe because of the mysterious lady who walked between the worlds. Tempest. His boat was damaged, and he was being swept further into the open sea. Desperate, he cried out for help, his voice lost to the wind. But then, through the fog and rain, he saw a figure, Selina, her form glowing in the dark. She reached out her hand and guided his boat back toward the shore, her calm presence comforting him as the storm raged around them. As the boat docked safely, Thomas looked up to thank her, but she was gone, vanished into the mist like a whisper on the wind. From that night on, Thomas became a believer, telling everyone about the kind-hearted ghost who had saved his life. Years passed, and Selina's story became a cherished legend in the village. The ghost, though no longer seen, was still felt by the people. Her presence lingered in the waves, the wind, and the sky. Fishermen would sometimes feel a gentle hand on their shoulders or hear a soft voice urging them to steer clear of dangerous rocks. Even in the most turbulent weather, they never feared the sea again, for they knew the lady of the shipwreck was always watching over them. And so, the ghost of the kind lady who once lived among them became not just a figure of sorrow, but one of hope and guidance, a reminder that even in the darkest of storms, kindness and courage could lead the way back to safety.